Welcome dear friends. Now we are looking for prepare frequency distribution for given data. And we have given this simple data. Okay. Now total count, that is n, means count of all frequency, that is 40. So we have given 40 samples are here, started with 36 and end with 39. Okay. So by using this simple data we have to prepare this frequency distribution table. Means simply we are going to convert this simple data into group data. We know that there are three types of data: this simple data, discrete data, and third one is group data. So this is a form of group data, and this is a simple data. Means simply we have to convert this simple data into group data. For this we are going to use tally marks method. So in this method we are going to prepare frequency distribution for the following data. Also we have to find out the cumulative frequency and plus marks. Okay, that will be, we will see after the finding the frequency by using tally marks. Now I am going to find out tally marks by using this. So for this, by using this number, I will mark here, that is I will bar here, that number will lie between this class. Suppose 36 is lie in between this number 34 to 38. So I will draw a line here for this one. Now suppose the question asks here for what, that is for 38, 42, 46, for 34 and 46. Okay, so we have to draw a line for this particular number either here or here. Okay, that you will see when I will use it. Now I will start with this one, that is 36. So 36 will lie in between 34 to 38. So this is the first step. Now next 42. That is 42 is here and here. So my choice. So I will draw here. Then 48. So 48 lies in this last row. 49 here. 47 also here. Then 35. 35 lies here. So this is 37. Okay, 37. That is lies in between here. So here 40 lies here, 33 lies here, then 36 it will lies in this between. So I will draw here line for the 36. Then 41. So 41 lies between this class or this group. So I have drawn here line. Then 43 it will lies here. 48, that is it will lies here. Then 45 will lie here, so I will draw here a bar. Then 40 that will lie here, 40. Next 42, that is either here or here, so I will draw here and cross it. Then 46, it will lie either here or here, so I will bunch it. Means fifth element is shown by the cross. That will make a bunch. Then third 43, that will lie here. Then 40 here. 42, it will lie either here or here, so I will mark here, that is 42. Then 41 will lie here. 44 will lie here. Next is 40, so it will lie here. Then 42 either here or here, so I will mark here. Then 39, so 39 that will bunch here. And 37 is here, so I am going to cross these numbers that already I have marked here. Now next look for the 41. So 41 will lie here, I cross it. 39. 39 also lies also I will bunch it. Then 31, so 31 here. 34, either here or here, so I mark it. 38, either here or here, so I mark it. 40, 40, 44, that will be here. 37, that is here. 43, so that is here. 41, so 41 will here. 38, so 38 lies here, either here or here, so I will bunch it. 35, 35 lies here. 37, 37 lies in between. 34, 38, so here, and last one is 39, so 39 here. All these simple numbers are crossed out, and against them I have marked a line in the particular bunch or particular class in the table system. Now we have to count it here. Okay, start. This is 2, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 2. This is 12. This is 5, 5 and 3. This is 13. This is 5 plus 3 is equal to 8, and this is 0, 5. Okay, we have to count it. Total, that is 12 plus 14, and this is 13, 27, this is 8, 35, and this is 5, that is 40. Means we have given sample number are 40 and our count is 40. So we are going through a right method. That is, this is the frequency for given class with respect to this simple data, and we have total of 40. Now next task is to find out cumulative frequency. First we have to know about what is meant by cumulative frequency. There are two types, that is less than, that is second one is more than. I have shown by the arrow, means top to bottom and bottom to top. This is a short trick. Means what? We have this frequency. Now by using less than cumulative frequency method, we have to count here. That is, the first one frequency remains same, and second one is from top to bottom we are going to count it. That is 2 remains same, that is 2. Then this with successive addition will be there. So 0.02 plus 12 is equal to 14. Then successive addition will be there. That is 14 plus 13 equal to 27. That is 27. So it will get added with this 8. It will be 35. And last one, 35 plus 05 is equal to 40. This is called less than cumulative frequency method. So this count and this count will be remains. Means I have successively added the total figure with next figure, that is 2 plus 12, 14, 14 plus 13 equal to 27. Like this, and 8 will be 35 plus 05 equal to 40. So the total of this frequency shown by capital M, or summation F is equal to 40 equal to N. This is a sign of total frequency, that is capital N. So the total of the end amount of this less than cumulative is always equal to total frequency number. Now we are going to learn about how to find out more than that figure will remain same, method is going to change. So we will start from bottom. Like in the less than, I have started with top, that is top to bottom. For the more than, I am going to add the final number from bottom to top. Okay, now look, this is 5, so 05 remains same is equal to 05. It will be get added with earlier number, that is 05 plus 0.8 is equal to 30. Next, this 30 with next frequency 13 equal to 26. Now I will use for next, that is 26 plus 12 equal to 38, and now this 38 plus 2 is equal to 40. 40 means this amount and this total frequency remains unchanged, remains same. So we have seen here that is less than frequency method and more than cumulative frequency method. Now next question is, we have to find out class mark. Now earlier we have seen that is cumulative frequency. Now look for the class mark. I have wrote here formula to find out class mark. Now we have class that is 30 to 40, 34 to 38, 38 to 40 like this. It shows that the value will lie between 30 to 40, means not less than 30 and not bigger than 34 or not higher than 34. So that group has a limit, means lower limit is 30 and higher limit 34. So by using these two things, we have to find out class mark, and the formula for this is higher limit plus lower limit by 2. Consider this one class, that is 30 plus 34 by 2 is equal to 66 by 2. Sorry, 64. 30 plus 34, that is 64 by 2 is equal to 64 by 2, that is 32. So 32 is a class mark of a given class, means this is 32. Now next, for this class 38 is lower limit and 38 is higher limit, 34 is lower limit, and by 2 the addition 8, 4, 2, 1 and this is 72 by 2 is equal to 36. So 36 is a class mark. Like this we will find 40, 44 and 48. So these are the class marks with respect to given classes, given groups. So friends, this is a solution of today's question, that is to prepare frequency distribution table or frequency distribution for a given data, a simple data to group data conversion. And also we have to find out that is cumulative frequency, that is for less than, that is for more than, means this is top to bottom, this is bottom to top, as I have shown here by the arrows. Next one is class mark. There is a formula for class mark is higher limit plus lower limit by 2, and by this addition and division we are going to get amount of the class mark, that is the class mark are here. So this is the very simple question. Now if they are giving class like this 32, 34, 34, 38, then we are going to use it same here. If the question is prepare a frequency distribution for given data with class start with 30 and the interval is 5 between two limits, that is 30 interval is 5, then 30 plus 5 equal to 35. So 30 to 35. Next will be 35 to 40, then 40 to 45 like that. So depend upon the question we have to solve the given sum.